Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right net and positioning it where you can reach it instantly. This saves the catch. Grab a net sized for the fish you expect and inspect mesh and knots for tiers. Once done, orient the handle toward your dominant hand and practice a quick draw motion. Step forward, lift, and sweep. Make sure to keep elbows relaxed to prevent jerky movements. This immediate first step sets the rhythm for landing fish cleanly and reduces chase time on the water. You now focus on approaching and positioning the net for a clean scoop. Move slowly and close the gap by guiding the fish with your rod tip. Avoid splashing, which spooks fish. Once the fish is alongside, angle the net slightly forward and slide it under the fish, leading its head into the shallow end of the net. For heavier catches, use two hands, one on the handle and one near the rim for support, so the net lifts smoothly without dropping the fish. You finish by securing and handling the fish confidently to avoid injury to both of you. After scooping, bring the net low over the boat or shore, cradle the fish, and remove the hook with steady hands. If releasing, hold it upright in the water until it swims away. If you feel resistance or tangles, stop and stabilize the fish, do not yank. One key troubleshooting tip: when a net snags, rewind, slack, and methodically work knots free rather than pull.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.